second significant storm event in just a week that's hit that state. Thousands of people, they've been ordered to evacuate the island because of a 120-year-old dam which was at risk of imminent failure. A catastrophic flash flooding from the storm. It has cut off some towns, destroyed homes, and also forced rescues from the storm in northern Oahu. Heavy rain and strong winds from last weekend's storm set off dangerous flooding, landslides, and sinkholes, and even knocked out power to thousands of people throughout the region. Flood watches and advisories, they've also been issued across the Hawaiian Islands. Joining us now is KITV reporter Reid Fowler, joining me from Honolulu. Thank you so much for joining us, Reid. I'm curious, we just heard a little while ago from Molly Pierce from the Oahu Emergency Management Office saying that the situation is improving. However, there are still evacuations happening. Curious where you are. What are the conditions like? What's happening?
Yeah, Polo, thanks for having us. And yeah, the conditions right now, it's raining here in Honolulu in our main metropolitan area on the south side of the island. Like a lot of what has happened, a lot of the disaster on the north side of the island, specifically when you're talking about the dam, the Wahiawa Dam, affecting areas like Haleiwa, like Wailua, where evacuation was already put into place, was already executed early in the morning. We talked about that dam, right, that Wahiawa Dam, where that level was at 85 feet. That's the level where they're going to have a mandatory evacuation. By around 5 p.m., we're looking at that being around 83, a little over 83 feet. The imminent danger for that dam is 90 feet. It has decreased throughout the day as crews try to drain, obviously, that dam and get the water out of the way from those low-lying areas. But again, with more rain coming through over the course of the weekend, that's the real issue. Around 230 evacuations throughout the day, over $1 billion of damages, Polo. And this is something that our Governor Josh Green, has mentioned to us throughout his updates throughout the day, is that there is a ton of damage. To talk about flash flooding as well. We had that Kona low storm just a week ago. That's the issue as well. Not so much the winds that we had, again, last week at the high winds. We're going to get some of that this weekend. But it's really the saturated ground where you see a bunch of the issues that the ground just can't support all of this moisture that's going to be falling down over the next couple of days. That's where you get the flash flooding. That's where you get some of these trees falling down on major thoroughfares. Again, we're in Honolulu right now. It's not necessarily that bad, but you look over the course of today, about 13 or 14 inches of rain at about 5 p.m. earlier today on Friday near Schofield Barracks, one of our Army bases, and that's near the Wahiawa Dam. The main parts of issue right now, as crews come out and try to clear the thoroughfares, clear the streets, is the issue of rescuing those people and getting people out of the flood zone areas. Central Hawaii, so we're talking about Oahu, where we're at right now, where it's heavily densely populated, and the county of Maui. Those are the two places like Lahaina, that are no strangers to disaster. There are on evacuation notices, so not exactly executed, but evacuation advisories, so where if things do worsen, those counties are going to be evacuated because of the flash flooding. We see air and water rescue teams out there getting people out of the North Shore. And again, crews all throughout the day, all throughout the weekend, are going to be working to get people to safety, to shelters where they can obviously find safety. And again, all the government officials are advising residents to stay off the roads if possible, Polo. But I'm going to send it back to you in New York because, yeah, it is getting rainy out here, and we're expecting worse conditions coming into the weekend.
Yeah, the weekend begins, but the work is far from over for rescue crews there, as you point out. Our thanks to KITV reporter Reid Fowler for that, as many people hoping for a break in the clouds. And back with much, much more in a moment. Don't go anywhere.
Caitlin Collins is your D.C. source, bringing you unprecedented access to the White House.